Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simplykay back with another video. Welcome back. This video is the second cash stuffing for the month of August. We are going to be stuffing $770. I am excited. We have to replenish these envelopes because we took a hit in June and July. So without further ado, we're gonna get right into it. If you are new, thank you for tuning in. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. And let's just get into it. Okay, so we are going to be stuffing $770. Bear with me. I'm trying to work with my setup, trying to figure out what it is that I actually want to do. I'm not too sure. So we're just changing things up a little bit. We're going to start with today's prayer, and it's I can do all things in Christ who strengthens me, which is Philippians 4:13, which is one of my favorites. I think these are so cute. Will it zoom in? It's not focusing. There we go. I think these are adorable. So we'll put that over here. All right, so we're stuffing $770. I'll leave this link down below. It is absolutely beautiful. I didn't write it in or anything just because I was in a rush. We have some hundreds. Alright, so we got our money. First we're gonna stuff our wallet, and look what came. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Look how pink it is. Oh my gosh. This is from Taylor Budgets. Check her out, taylorbudgets.com. She has a whole bunch of these for sale. I kind of bent mine up a little bit, but this color is giving life. So as always, we are going to stuff our wallet first. Gas is going to get $30. I haven't had to go anywhere because if you guys don't know, I'm on my maternity leave. So I haven't actually had to go anywhere. So I actually put $30 in my account the last check, and I still have gas in the account. So I mean in the car. So I'm only doing $30 until I go back to work. No need to put gas in a car that's not moving. Food is getting 10. Pretty much just use this for Starbucks. Date night is going to be getting 25. I'm really craving like Mexican and margaritas. So we'll see. Get out one day. Shopping is getting $20. Probably use this for some books because honestly, Barnes and Nobles or a Target trip, that's coming up. I feel like I go to Target every week, but it is what it is. Back to Bank isn't getting anything. Dollar Savings Challenge. I actually have my Savings Challenge folder in my car, so I have to get that out. But we have a couple dollars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7. So let's do it again. I hate when they're not facing the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so we'll just put this off to the side because I'll have to put that into my savings envelope. And that is it. Oh, let's do the coins. See, I always forget the darn coins. It never fails. I don't have that many though, so. Ooh, things getting heavy. Alright. So, we have $85.77. We have a few coins, not a whole bunch, just a few. I'll put those in there. Alright, so How's everybody doing? I'm feeling real tired today. But you guys should be proud. I started working out again since having my daughter. Doing some spin workouts and some treadmill workouts. So, been feeling good. I worked out 3 times this week, which is good. So, we have a total of $87.10. That's actually getting really heavy. Alright. So, now we're going to go into our cash envelopes. I'm going to scoot this over so that y'all can see everything. Alright. Fun Money is going to be getting $5. It has 5 in it already. So we just have 10. And I got my nails done on Friday. I got them cut short because they were long. No one had time for that. They were too long. Self-care is getting $60. So we're going to do 2 20s, a 10, and a 5. I actually used $100 already to get my nails and my toes done. I did that on Friday. So I'm stuffing the remainder amount. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. And then we're also going to put another 5. So it's going to be 60. I meant 2 5s. I don't know why. I forgot 2 5s. Alright, so self-care is getting 65. So 60. Oh my gosh. Self-care is getting 60. There was 5 in there. So we should have a total of 65. 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65. I don't know why that like confused me so much. Alright, emergency fund is getting $50. So it's going to get 2 20s and a 10. There's $5 in here. So we should have a total of 55. So 20, 40, 50, 55. Gotta get that back up. And for those of you who are new, this is not just my emergency fund. I do have an emergency fund on my bank account. This is just extra money that I want to have in my wallet so that I can go here before going in my actual account. So just putting that out there. My goal for this is like $500 for now, $500. Car maintenance is going to be getting $10. There is 75 in here, so we should have 85. So 50, 70, 80, 85. And I need brakes, and I need to actually be getting those in September, so we'll see how that works out. Medical dental is going to be getting $5. I do have a dentist appointment in October, so I just need the $15 for that copay. So 5, 10. Actually, I shouldn't even have to pay anything. It's my annual. Alright, so that is that. Trying to, you know, give myself money where I need it, but we had a lot of things happen. We had to get our air conditioning fixed. We're going to have to budget for a new AC. Because our air conditioning is old as I don't know what. It's 19 years old, which is crazy that it still works, but I'm grateful that it still works. But that is something that we have to get on. So money's going in all different directions right now, so I'm just trying to get it all together. So birthdays and gifts is getting $25. I'm honestly just not even prepared for birthdays, but it's okay. Like, you know, it is what it is. It's a thought that counts. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Like, life is just, as most of us have said, life is lifing right now. Of course, when you're like in a steady groove, that's when things start to happen. So, birthdays and gifts has 45. Did I count that? I don't know. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Just in case I didn't. $45. Hubby has 5. He's going to be getting 5. We're going to start saving for his birthday gift, which is in December. So he has $10. We have a long way to go. Vacation is going to get $5. It has 5 in here, so we're also going to have 10 in this envelope. Not planning on going anywhere, but I do want to start saving for our Disney trip next year. So this is probably, I'm going to save it in here. I was going to make like a Disney envelope, but I'm like, that's what vacation is for. So we'll put that in this vacation envelope. Grad school is going to be getting $150. So we're gonna put that in there. And so we have a balance of $668 for the fall. And I just put $150, so $518 left. So that's what we need left. So hopefully by October we'll get that all done. Maybe even before that. Textbooks has $5, it's not getting anything. Christmas has $135 and it's getting $50 because we need to beef this thing up. So we should have $185, 100, 150, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 185. And our goal is 500. And I'm so excited because I finally have someone to like really shop for. Like obviously I always go out for all my nieces and nephews for Christmas. Like those are the only people I really shop for because both sides, my in-laws and my family, we do Pollyanna so that everyone doesn't have to buy everyone a gift because we're grown and it's just like, that's too much, okay? It's too much for us anyway. So that's what we do. And then just spend time together. But I always get the kids stuff, so I'm excited that I'm going to be able to get my daughter a whole bunch of stuff and we'll have all her stuff underneath the tree. So I'm very excited for that. That's just like the icing on the cake. Like we're getting her for all the holidays. We have Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. So I'm excited. She's gonna be big by then. I can't. Alright, so that's Christmas, $185. Simplykay. So I did have an order that I was telling you guys about. I made 13 wine glasses. I'm still not done yet. Oh, if you guys, I have it actually next to me. So here, I'll show you guys so you can see kind of like what I do. I do custom things. These are for a 60th birthday party. That says 60 years blessed. And I have to make 12 more. So I'm going to finish that up after this video. But I just wanted to show you guys. That's kind of what I do. So I did get paid for it already. So what's going in here is $65. So we're going to do 2 20s, 2 10s, and a 5. So I did take the money out already. I charged like $96. I charged $8 for a glass because she provided the glasses. So I just did, you know, the work and then the materials. So we're putting $60 in the envelope from the payment and then $5 from my check. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 65. And I just love making stuff because basically I do things, have people give me ideas, what they want. I try to figure out if I can do it. Most of the time I've never done it before, but I get it done and it always looks so nice. So it's like just a fun, you know, hobby for me. Giving is going to get $5. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 40 in that. We are almost at 3,000 subscribers. I just want to say thank you guys. You guys are amazing. Especially as my big pause. But everything's kind of like getting back on track. So I appreciate you guys and just want to say thank you. Sally Mae is going to be getting 150. So it's going to be 100, 2 20s, and 2 10s. I mean 2 5s. So 100, 120, 140, 145, 150. And we have about $10,900 on the one loan. And that's the loan we're going to try to, I would like to get it down to, I'm being very optimistic, but I would like to get it down to $5,000 by the end of December so that we can pay it off early next year and work on the last one. So that is our plan. So Sally Mae has 150. And that is that for my envelopes. And then we have my lovely savings binder. You guys have seen this before. I use this for a savings challenge. I think I used it for my dollar challenge, honestly. But I made a little something for myself. I wanted to do a challenge up until the end of the year. So I made some envelopes for August, September, October, November, and December. And I'm pretty much, my goal is to save $100 a month. And if I have any more, like put more towards it. But $100 a month so that I'll have $500 by the end of December. But I'm going to try to put more towards the challenge if I can, and then honestly I'll probably use it for student loans or to go on my emergency fund or something of some sort that I need. So that's that. So we're just gonna put the $100 in August. My van will kind of popped open, but that is August, and we have $100 in there. So now I'll put that to the back and put the rest in there. And that is the savings. And that is all that I have for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope I didn't talk you guys to death, or, you know, just trying to get my head around everything. I'm still kind of like flustered a little bit, you know, being a new mom, trying to find time to do everything, but I am doing my best, and that is all we can really do. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.